just two incredibly handsome station staff.
I knew you had problems with your eyesight.
I want to get the glasses checked.
Kai and Dave, not in that order, of course.
Hello.
Hello. where are we today?
We today are in Northiam.
We're going to see the country fair at Bodiam, aren't we?
We certainly are. Do love Bodiam.
Have a train ride.
With the doggies.
And with the doggies.
Yeah, we brought the fur babies with us for a change. You'd love that. Not buying on one of them.
Got resin in the wood as well. Yeah. Wow. Just crazy. Are you getting anything? Nothing in them. Poppy.
They do need a bit of help sometimes.
They do. We need them. We need them.
Hello, you in this end? You come to say hello to me again?
Great, isn't it?
Keep jogging in this end.
Happy.
Believe me, you don't take on a trip.
No, you don't.
Their beaks are sharp.
Yeah, they're very sharp. She thinks she can take on everything, though, doesn't she?
I know. I can see your sandwich.
Oh, look. Dahlias. So we've got some dahlias. She loves her dahlias.
Dahlias and who's that?
The tractor.
Oh yeah, but I mean, but you know.
Yeah.
Actually, now that's moved, I'm going to just let that go because it just shows
Oh, right, yeah.
how much I've done. Because we had these then. Yeah, it's silk.
Wow.
And it's obviously thicker than normal.
Yeah, the
Usually-
thick difference, isn't it?
But it's silk and it's a scarf, so it'll be nice and cosy when I eventually finish it. But they should be woven in on their own, shouldn't they?
Yeah, that,
I like Oh, did you?
yeah. But
I'm okay. Look, you're on film now.
Oh, thank you. That's
It's
lovely.
candid camera. I can see you in action. What you really do then?
Well,
rather-
what I really do. These are all my quilts, dear.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
So colourful, look at
That's beautiful,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah, this is what I've made. And I'm just quilting this one here by hand just to show people what stages and
Yeah.
things with
Beautiful.
it.
How long, I'm going to ask the question, how long does it take for something like that to be made?
The top, just over a day, the top was.
Yeah.
And then you need another few hours to pin it all together with the wadding and the backing and everything. But this quilt here has got a lot of detail on and everything. And I wrote down every hour. Took me 250 hours.
Do you know what?
250?
That one.
Wow.
That's
Because,
incredible.
yeah. Most of them are sort of machine and hand, really. This is a lot of hand work, and that one's got a lot of hand work. But like this, it's this is all hand, but the rest of it was all machine.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm surprised you got the patience to do it. I
Oh
would.
God, you get me in my room, dear. I wouldn't come
You will,
out.
are you?
I don't want to come out.
Blame ya.
No.
Because it's difficult trying to display them in here.
Oh, sure.
Of knowing how to, really.
Yeah.
It looks a bit nip smash, but
Oh, no, not at all.
I couldn't. It's lovely, thanks.
Do something with that for Fred, that's for sure. My youngest grandson is mad on farms and animals and cows.
Is he?
Yeah,
that's
absolutely. So if I see cows or anything like that, I've just been going mad and just getting it. I'm making him a little barn to put his
are you?
animals in. Yeah.
Oh, fantastic.
And if I can get a cow pattern and actually make it into a toy.
Did you say cow pat there?
A cow pattern.
Pattern.
She
You know what I have to put up with?
Yeah.
Check my hearing.
Yeah. I can't take my eyes off that. It's so vibrant.
It is beautiful, isn't it? I've got
am-
to say, that's
I've just got them all folded up at home.
I've given different people and the family quilts and things like that, but no, they're just, like to get them out of storage, you know. Some of them I can't part with. Things like that one I just can't, but others I could. But I think you just put so much into it,
Yeah.
you know, you do.
You not think about selling them because at least then you can get money. I remember being stuck in one of them when I was a kid. They used to put us in there and pull the ox off the vines.
and they put you in there.
They put us in there with the earwigs and the hops and we'd have to pull them off the vines. Horrible. How about that? Cool, you could have a decent stick. Oh, it's the AI one.
But then he couldn't stop it.
Cheers, darling.
Cheers. Oh dear, that looks nice actually. But...
No, Connie. No! Get out!
I've got to chase Pat now down the platform.
That looks like an offensive weapon.
Oh, and Charles as well. Charles, the station master. Yeah,
Ian can say something
Ian
nice.
can say something nice.
Go on,
What
Ian.
about my leaflets? Murray's putting something on the Terrier magazine about the leaflets that I lost. These ones. Those leaflets funny. Yes. They went out the window about 2 hours ago.
Well, as in flattered out?
It's been advertising.
Not those ones, others.
It's been
Because I had to go and
advertising
get-
right across the county.
Yes, spreading the news by throwing them out. Not literally.
No, they're bewitched. They were trying to fly
Oh,
Oh, okay, right, yeah, you see where we're going with
So they're all strewn about East Sussex or
that.
Kent.
Somewhere between, where did we say it was? It was the top of the hill between, as you come out of Whit Road.
away. You have to admire
Down
their
towards here.
ability to choose the top of the hill so that they go further.
And that was the Kent and East Sussex Railway Country Fair at Bodiam. Thanks for watching.
Bye.